ready.
I'm going.
I'll be playing this in the meantime. What's good, everybody? Sorry I'm getting a little carried away here. Finding all this dope shit here in this new vintage spot right down the street from Vice's. It's only about 3 doors down, same building. I was playing Pokemon Red on Game Boy Color. If you haven't heard, before we get this video started, we're recording at a new venue. It's Denver's newest and hottest vintage streetwear store, also featuring an exceptional barbershop. So come through, check them out. They're only 3 doors down from Vice's. You can find them on Instagram at blueprint_DNVR. Again, that's blueprint_DNVR. Make sure to check them out if you're into buying, selling, and trading vintage gear. It's one of the hottest stores on the market. Definitely gonna blow up. So check them out. Now, probably wondering why we chose to record this video at a different venue. It's gotta be pretty obvious based on the backdrop, some of the contents here on the table. For those that don't know what we're gonna review today, you've probably been living under a rock. One of the hottest shoes, hottest collections of the year. It feels like we're saying that just about every time a new SB drops. The hype is unreal, man. It's crazy. I know we've been getting blown up at the shop for these. People are buying, selling, trading them already. So market's going crazy, man. We're gonna take a look today at the Grateful Dead SBs. And I've got 2 colorways here to show you. Thank you to the good people at Blueprint for letting us use their shop today, some of their merch, to go ahead and record this video. We got vinyl, we've got phenomenal t-shirts in the background, and then of course we got the highly coveted SB sneakers. So before we start taking a look at these kicks, a few things. The yellow pair is dropping at skate shops and on sneakers this Friday the 24th. The green pair is skate shops only. You may have also seen the orange pair. Now that one was an exclusive to FTC, a famous skate shop in San Francisco. The reason why they dropped them there, that was a great setting, is because Grateful Dead was extremely active early on in their career in the Haight-Ashbury neighborhood. So it made all the sense in the world for them to drop those out there in the Bay Area as a nod to the early legacy of Grateful Dead. Now, one other thing. Before we get into these shoes, I got a trivia question for y'all because I know a lot of people have suddenly become Grateful Dead fans. All of a sudden, fam. But what was the lead guitarist's name for the Grateful Dead band? I'll let you ponder that for a minute here. Did you have enough time to Google that? It's Jerry Garcia. Late Jerry Garcia, rest in peace. He was the lead guitarist of Grateful Dead. Over 35 million units sold since the 60s. That's crazy. So, sneakerheads and deadheads alike, universes are clashing right now as people are trying to collect these crazy coveted sneakers. I don't know if a lot of people realize just how significant the branding, the imagery, and the collectors are for Grateful Dead stuff out there, man. I'm talking from tapes of shows, vinyl, merchandise, everything else. Deadheads go crazy for Grateful Dead stuff. So it's kind of unique to see that world clashing with the sneakerhead world, right? All right, so now that we've given you some background information on Grateful Dead and the release date on the sneakers, let's get into the actual shoes themselves, because these are fire. Got the green pair, which is skate shop only. Now, you're gonna notice immediately the Dancing Bear logo, classic iconic logo, here on the tongue with the Nike swoosh behind it, as well as the furry toe box, the fur head on the mid panel, all across the ankle and the heel. It's gonna be that way on both shoes here. Can't go wrong. Actually, I saw that one of the ambassadors for the Grateful Dead was really happy that Nike decided to go with the Dancing Bear logo versus the actual Steal Your Face skull logo. So they were really happy with that. And you've got kind of the fuzzy looking hit on the Nike swoosh. It is like a soft suede material, so it's really buttery, really soft. These obviously got Papa Bear, Baby Bear, Mama Bear vibes to them, just with the materials and the quality and the look. Definitely kind of resurrecting the Bear style SBs from the early mid 2000s. Now, aside from that hit there on the tongue, we've also got another hit on the inside of the tongue, as well as dancing bears all across the insole, which we're gonna get into in just a second. I'm gonna take these out because there's a special significance to underneath the insole. But before we do that, stock with green laces, and then you've got the extra set of blue laces with the logo hits on the lace tips, if you can see that. So the green pair comes with green and royal blue laces. The yellow pair, which is going to be a little bit more widely available, comes with yellow and light blue laces. So a nice touch. There you can see a little bit better the hit there on the laces. And then you've also got the dancing bears marching on the inside of the insole. The back heel, you've got Nike with that classic Grateful Dead font. So these definitely feel like a trip out of the 60s, that's for sure. I've seen Bill Walton, who's a legendary NBA player and a huge Grateful Dead fan, praising these, said he's gonna get them. He's a huge Grateful Dead fan. And one of the things that they talked about, which was pretty funny, was the stash pocket on the tongue. So both colorways come with the stash pocket, and the stash pocket on these is actually pretty big. You can fit some shit in here. They asked Bill Walton what he was going to be using his stash pocket for, and he said whatever he's going to put in here is going to make him extremely happy. So you can read between the lines there. Definitely got, like I said, them 60s, 70s vibes. Really dope job by Nike. As you saw in the yellow pair, the stash pocket is light blue, and on this green pair, it's royal blue. Perfect classic colorways for this collaboration. So, aside from those details that we just went over, the paneling outside of the fur is also very soft suede. So the material is A1, very high quality. Definitely gonna look good on foot. I haven't seen anybody rocking these in person yet, but I know some different people have already been doing their thing with these. Now, let's get to the insoles. So, as we mentioned, what's dope about the insoles, it has the dancing bears all the way from the heel down to right around the front part of your foot. So you got the green, you got the yellow, and you'll see it's different order on the two, so not every single pair is going to be the same, right? But if you flip it over, now you've got the other classic Grateful Dead logo with the skull and the Nike SB hit right in the middle. So that's pretty sick. Something to look out for as you're buying pairs. As I always tell you guys, be safe when you're buying this type of shoe, meet in safe public places. Do your research, do your homework, watch this video, look for different details on this insole. All right, from the manufacturing stamp here to the placement of the logo and the plastic cutout that it's in here on this heel unit, and then just the shape of things, right? All these little details help you avoid fakes. You can see the outline of the cushioning on the insole as well, and the placement of the bears does stop right here about the front middle part of your foot. Now that we've gotten into that, let's take a look at the bottoms real quick. So you've got on the green pair the blue sole with the green hit right here in the middle, and on the yellow pair you've got the light blue sole and the yellow hit right in the middle. So really going with the two-tone look there on the bottom, which I think is excellent, simple, clean. Listen, these shoes are fire. They've got good padding right around the ankle. So all in all, man, you're getting your money's worth. It doesn't come with any extras, so that's the only kind of downside. Just Grateful Dead being such an iconic imagery and brand, you would think that they would throw maybe like a print or something else in these, but nope, it's just the shoes. So Again, these are retailing at $110. Obviously, very few people are gonna get these for that actual price. Men's sizes seem to already be doing 17, 1800. We'll see where the market slides to after the actual release. You can try for the yellow pair on sneakers or get to your local skate shop right away because they probably already filled up their raffles. Wishing all of y'all good luck. I'm definitely gonna try to cop these for myself. We'll see what happens. Until the next video, we'll catch you. Appreciate you tuning into this one, and good luck on these Grateful Dead SBs.